Alright you guys, it's a Hyper T4 Cooler Master sound test. It's currently at 20%. Here's a quick mic check. 1, 2, 3. And we're currently at 20%. I'm going to go up to 50% fan speed. And this is going to kick our fan speed up to about 1100, 1200 RPM. %, fan speed. It's about 1800 RPM. Maximum 100%. We're at about 1900 to 1930 RPM. And then I'm going to kick it back down to 20%. Honestly, this 20% is all I need to run for this cooler, and it is whisper quiet. It keeps the i5 9400F chilly. Right now, not under load, I'm at 32 degrees. And with 100% load, I usually float around 50 to 60 under full load at only a 20% fan speed with the Hyper T4.